from Virginia. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Virginia Rivera Mina. I'm 36 years old and from Agua-Colonium.
Okay, what is your marital status?
I'm a widow.
Do you have kids?
I have no kids.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings.
Are you the eldest?
I'm fourth in my siblings.
Okay, tell me about your educational background. Did you finish high school or college level?
I'm a high school graduate.
Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college?
I did not finish college because I need to help my parents to provide for our daily needs.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
I don't have any work experience abroad.
How about local, ma'am?
I have, ma'am.
Okay, what is your current work here in the Philippines?
Currently, I'm working as a meat vendor at Agua Hypermarket.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities, ma'am, as a meat vendor?
I cut meat and sell them.
Okay, do you have or know how to do household chores inside your house? And can you please specify?
When I go home, I do the laundry, I wash dishes, take care of my 3 dogs. I feed them, and then in the afternoon, I walk them.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking person. I'm also very patient, and I love to sing, cook, and care for my family.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have any tattoo, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, so that I can save for my future and to help my family also.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them calmly, ma'am, and then tell them what the consequences, ma'am, of being a naughty, and then play with them, ma'am, and be friends with them.
Okay, your last question. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear employer, if given a chance that you choose me, I will be a hardworking person, very patient, and if you have children, I will take care of them like my own.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.